In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use Jotform to create or modify an appointment request form. Jotform is a versatile online tool that allows you to build forms with ease, and we're going to walk through the process together to ensure you get the most out of its features. Let's dive in. To begin, you'll want to head over to the Jotform form builder. This is your starting point for creating new forms or editing existing ones. Simply open your preferred web browser and navigate to your account. Once there, locate your appointment request form within the form builder. This is where you have full control over the design and functionality of your form. Your next step in the form builder is to add a new element. Look for the Add Element button, which is typically situated on the side panel of your screen. Clicking this will open up a variety of elements that you can integrate into your form, such as fields for input, widgets, and other customizable components. This is a crucial part of the form creation process as it enables you to tailor the form to meet specific needs. For example, you might want to include different types of data collection fields depending on the information you wish to gather from your appointment requests. Now, the element we're focusing on today is the long text field. After clicking Add Element, find and select the long text option. This feature is particularly useful when you need respondents to provide more detailed information. It is ideal for incorporating any open-ended questions you may have, like gathering comprehensive details about a client's appointment request or special instructions they might have. By incorporating a long text field, you give respondents ample space to express their requirements or concerns, ensuring you collect all necessary information. Remember, as you're adding elements, pay attention to the layout and flow of your form to maintain a user-friendly experience. Each element you add can be dragged and dropped into position, allowing you to structure the form in a way that logically guides the respondent from start to finish. Clear, organized forms are efficient and boost the accuracy of the data you collect. In summary, by navigating to the Jotform form builder, using the Add Element feature, and incorporating a long text field, you can create detailed and efficient appointment request forms. Adjusting your form to include comprehensive text entry options enhances its functionality and provides you with richer data for better business operations. Take the time to explore other available elements as well to see what best fits your specific needs. With these steps, you'll be crafting professional forms swiftly and effortlessly. Happy form building!